Yeah, so we are live.
Hi everyone.
Let's start this stream. So yeah, today's topic is in the previous stream we have already made uh, in day 4 practice we have already made a one IPYNB file in which we have loaded the I guess logistic regression model. Yes, logistic regression model. So we will be not coding another model, just we will be just copying this model again in today's stream. And today's stream we will be focusing much more on the infrastructure level path. So MLflow UI was the completed step till yet. Now we will be pushing that to Grafana UI. Means MLflow, all the logs that are produced by MLflow will be pushed to Grafana UI. For your information, let me show you how does Grafana looks like. It looks like this. For current setup we will be using Linux server because AWS EC2 machine is a Linux server. We will be deploying all the, as MLflow is an open source software, we will be downloading the MLflow system in our EC2 system, and then all the logs that will be produced during the ML model training or pre-processing a pipeline will be shown to our EC2 machine. And for that, for data version control we will be today we will be using a DBC and also a DAG sub.
Two tags.
And we
Okay.
will be also writing some CI/CD pipeline using GitHub CI/CD pipeline, and we will be also writing a today one DAG today, so that all everything can be automated. Whenever some new data goes to a data named folder in day 5, we will be having some data folder, and inside that
Okay.
whenever there some raw data comes into the picture, it the airflow airflow server will pick up that event and will process again the complete training ML pipeline and will show some logs on the Grafana. So yeah, this is today's system. And for cloud we are basically merely using AWS EC2 machine. First we will be doing everything in local, then we will be just pushing all the code in the DAX repository, not in the GitHub repository. For your information, let me show you how DAX repository looks like. Yeah, so DAX repository looks like this. We will be pushing all the code here, and then from this we will be cloning all the code to the EC2 machine here.
Okay.
Okay, let me clear it. Okay, my bad. So we will be doing all this stuff here, and you can also, as it is a production code, so by accessing my public IPv4 address you can also see the MLflow UI from your side too. So yeah, let's start today's stream.
Can you do all this without muting yourself today?
All right, no issue.
Okay. I'll be following you because.
All right, no issue. So let me first delete this file, as today's motto is not to again create a model.
Hmm. Should be there fine.
Mm,
And, yeah.
so yeah, here you can see all the my practice code that I have pushed till yet. Let me again push it so that you can see the updated code. Get updated PY file. Okay, so just for a couple of seconds I will be stop presenting my screen due to because I will be sharing my password. Yeah, so now you can see my all the code in the DAX hub, the updated code. Yeah, practice.ipymb file. Let me update all the dependencies in my EC2 machine.
Okay, so right now we are just updating the dependencies in the EC2 machine, not in our local, but the EC2 one.
Sudo apt update, sudo install. Git. Okay. Okay. So I guess there is some update in modern Amazon Linux. It
Okay.
is not using sudo apt. Instead of it is using sudo dnf.
DNF. Use DNF. Okay.
Because my machine is also Ubuntu, so I ran a
Hmm.
command of sudo apt update, and it updates all the dependencies. But in
Okay.
EC2 user, it is not running that like.
We use the updated command, right?
Okay,
Nothing to do update itself.
okay, and let me check how to install dev2. How
Okay.
to install in such machines too. Like I want to install git sudo dnf install git y. Okay, okay, git git clone, and now I will be passing my this URL
Okay.
git practice.ml flow, not git, yes, practice.git, cloning into practice base. I guess it will be again asking for me, it will again ask me for password.
Okay.
Okay,
You can turn off the screen share for now.
now as I've cloned it, now let me see, now you can see my practice folder, and let's practice
Okay.
cd
See
practice.
practice and then
Okay, and here you can see my all the files like practice.ipynb and diagram.xldraw. So I guess python 3 will come as expected here. Yes, python 3 is coming. So let me make one environment here, python 3 -m vnv dot vnv. Okay, and okay, and I have to pass not exactly source.
okay.
Activate. Okay, source. mm, Not exactly the media, but let's see practice. How does it follows the command source dot vnb bin activate. Okay, source और ENG bin activate. Hmm. Okay, it follows one more time set dash. Okay, and that's all. Hmm. Guess I should pass only this. Okay, let me see. Directory structure can be a complicated part in the Linux machines. Okay, we must specify the path. So still we don't have to pass the inverted commas. Okay, now we can
Okay.
install pip install mlflow here. Now pip install, let me run it mlflow UI.
Okay.
So here in the EC2 machine we can see it is running on this port, but when we try to run it, it will not run because it is a local host of my machine. So instead of, let's change the public IPv4 address. Yuvraj, what was the IPv4 address?
IPv4 address was of 54 point. I've sent you the IPv4 address on your WhatsApp.
Okay. Just send on the another number.
Let me do that.
Okay. I will retrieve it.
Got it?
Yes, got it. 54.206.225.202. I guess it is blocking my connection.
Reason?
The reason is because we have to also provide DNS and all the, because it is only accessing the SSH connection, not all
Okay.
the normal request cycles.
Okay.
So in the DNS in your EC2 machine, we have to basically consider the VPS server and enable all the types of connections,
Mm.
and let's and only have to suppose some specific port.
Okay.
So it will not work like that. Okay, so let's configure from your side first of all. युवराज की स्क्रीन शेयर कर दो.
Yeah. Okay. Just a second. Okay. Sharing now, I guess.
Yes. Uh, okay. Let me see that EC2 machine, and that specific EC2 machine. Go to networking tab.
Networking tab here. Yeah.
Security networking, and I think on the bottom side you can see the inbound connection and outbound connections on the bottom side, on the on or more bottom. Yeah, here you can see, I guess, elastic IP.
Public IP, public IP, public IP.
Hmm, click on the setting icon.
What again?
Click on the
Click on the
settings
setting
icon.
icon.
Not this side. The that one. Here, yes, this one.
Just the.
No, 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 no.
Okay.
Go on the security tab. Go on the bottom side. Yes, yes, here you can see. Okay,
Yeah.
so uh, launch any one of the wizard. Launch wizard. Yes. Create a
Security group. I think I select this.
select this one,
And
and
then create a security
on
group.
inbound rule. Yes, on inbound rule. Just search
Uh,
on the internet what type of specific inbound rule and outbound rule we have to specify for the specific EC2 machine to be get accessible from all the directions.
could you increase your voice again?
Is it audible? So
Yeah.
I'm saying that just search on the Google what specific type of inbound rules and outbound rules we have to specify to get accessible network connectivity from all the connections.
Okay. Processing. To yeah.
Get accessibility from all the connections
To get accessibility from all the
in
connections
the EC2 machine.
in the EC2. You must configure security users to instance and specific inbound rules.
Yes,
By default,
basically TCP connection is there, but not HTTP connection. So
okay,
see again the create security group. Yes, custom TCP. Okay. Uh, set the no, actually set another rule. Don't edit this one. Add another rule. Add another rule in inbound rule. Yes, and here selector HTTPS. HTTPS. Uh, Select HTTP because we have to first, for HTTP we have to first grant a certificate.
okay,
Again see the Google. Yeah, just do all the things in that
uh,
specific stuff.
okay. Protocol range source description allows traffic HTTP inbound rule to able to put security fucking protocol TCP
In HTTP just
port range was 0 to 80. Source is this. Source is I think my IP would be the source, right?
No. Edit the second one, not the first one.
And the second one, and this will be
Just see the what is Google is saying.
uh,
All allow public web traffic IPv4.
okay. So IPv4 anywhere with IPv4
Yes,
I can
yes,
do,
yes.
and this goes here. Option description is optional. Long answer. You recommend setting security group to allow access for known IP. It does only believe that here outbound rules we set up now, right?
For now, just ignore the outbound rules,
Okay.
because outbound rules specifically say that uh, how to means how data will be get transported from the EC2 machine.
Okay.
But we have to only try to get the traffic to the EC2 machine. For that, inbound rules are more than enough.
Hmm. So
So
we create the security group now.
just edit one or more two rules in the inbound rules.
One or
http
more.
http 80, just try to hit one more specific port, which is port number 5000.
Okay. One more rule with port number 5000.
Yes,
HTTP, right?
yes, yes.
HTTP takes 80 as a
Okay, okay,
default
okay,
value.
okay. All right. No issue, no issue. Just
HTTPS is for 443.
just do one thing. uh,
Yeah.
Add all traffic in add another rule. Yeah, again set in http
Add another rule again set in HTTP.
all traffic. All
HTTPS or HTTP?
there will be some area where you can see all traffic.
Okay. Yeah, I think
No, no,
everywhere
no, no. In that http section,
section. Okay.
you can see somewhere here all traffic. Yes,
Or
all traffic. Custom
and
and set anywhere.
IPv4.
Yes, anywhere IP4. And the last second one also select all traffic and anywhere IPv6. Yes, and then now create a security group.
Okay, let's use that only. My
Are you creating another security group or just editing the previous one?
I am creating another one.
Okay, don't create any new VPS, because then you have to reassign it. Just edit the previous one.
Okay. That's the second security group, right?
Just go to instance.
Yeah, yeah. I got it.
Okay, there are basically three one.
Hmm?
Just go to instances.
In this tab, right?
Yes,
Instances.
instances, and go to my server, my web server. Actually,
Okay.
my web server, not
Oh,
yours.
yours. Okay. Okay. Here is your web server.
And
Security.
then security, then launch wizard in inbound. Yes, here.
Create security
No,
group.
create and not create. Just edit the security group ID that is already been created. This is a security group ID that is created specifically for my EC2 machine.
Okay.
Just edit this one.
Okay. Inbound rules. Edit inbound rules. Add rule. One was MQ2T. This is fine.
Uh,
Custom anywhere IPv4. Another one was all traffic. Anywhere IPv4. Let's make it. And another one all IP traffic. IPv6. Done, right?
yes, done.
Save rules, and it's done. Inbound signature is modified. Can you what next?
Hmm. Just I'm giving you some stuff. Just try to load from your site
Okay.
in the message section of the Gmeet. It is not responding.
No, it refuses to connect.
Okay. Just share the assets of the inbound rules and also the
Okay, okay, okay,
Google Map, Google Chat, yeah, or Chat GPT.
okay. This one, right?
Yes, yes.
Just a second. Sujal.
Not to
Okay,
me, but I said share to Chat GPT.
okay. I was using Google Meet.
Yeah,
Here, right?
yeah. Do it. Do just here.
Recently, is already configured to accept command at the most critical part. Here, the program is born within the first critical.
Also share that the URL that I have provided you.
Here, right?
Yes, and say here that why we are not. It is not accessible to this. Okay, 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 okay. That's why I'm trying to say. Add
Okay, did
inbound rule. Theoretically cover port 5000. Add custom TCP port
oh,
range 5000. Okay,
okay.
okay,
Security group, select security group, edit inbound, add rule, configure the rule type, custom TCP port range 5000,
okay.
and
Yes,
okay. So we edit the instance, edit the security, right?
you can also I think edit here.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to see. Where is filter rules setting? Nope,
Just launch a wizard.
this right.
Yeah, do anyone. Edit inbound rules. TCP connection.
Custom TCP with port
Custom.
5.
Yes, port 5000.
Anywhere IPv4 and anywhere IPv6
V4 V4.
v4,
Mm,
and we save rules.
Save rules. Now try again to ping it.
TCP and forward. Okay. I'll ask it again.
Just share again that SS to ChatGPT.
Ah, fuck. How do you get the AI mode activated again with the history? I think the history is gone, right?
Yes.
Yep. Nope. Yeah, it is. Changed the updated the security update. Inside EC2 instance, the AWS file is allowed, but the server application is either not listening to it, or by default, many waves. Listen local host to secure. This means they accept connection forwarding.
Okay, 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 okay. Let
Okay.
me. Okay, okay. Just share that screen message.
This
Yes,
one, right?
yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. All right, all right, all right. Just scroll. Okay. Give me a second.
Okay, take your time.
Okay. Now from your side, just try again.
Okay.
Just try to again load that website.
I think
Yes,
it's
yes. It is working. It has.
connected
It has
finally.
started. Yes. Okay. So let me try to run. Okay. No issue. Let me try to run one command
Okay.
and let's see whether it is able to or not. My bad, my laptop is getting heated.
Okay, not an issue. So it's maybe lagging, right? Just a second now.